Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can add and organize apps. Shortcuts to content inside apps. Touch and hold the app, then lift your finger. If the app has shortcuts, you'll get a list. Touch and hold the shortcut. Slide the shortcut to where you want it. Lift your finger.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Go the web page for which you wish to create a shortcut, for example, www.google.com. On the left side of the web page address, you will see the Site Identity button. See this image, Site Identity button. Click on this button and drag it to your desktop. The shortcut will be created. The 1st of March 2012.
Let's help you make your mark.
Just follow these steps. Visit the home screen page on which you want to stick the app icon, or launcher. Touch the apps icon to display the apps drawer. Long press the app icon you want to add to the home screen. Drag the app to the home screen page, lifting your finger to place the app.
Let's help you make your mark.
Run a shortcut from the Shortcuts app. In My Shortcuts, tap a shortcut. In My Shortcuts, tap on the shortcut you want to run. Then at the bottom of Shortcut Editor that appears, showing all the actions in the shortcut tap.
Let's help you make your mark.
Where is the Apps button on my home screen? How do I find all my apps? 1. Tap and hold any blank space. 2. Tap Settings. 3. Tap the switch next to Show Apps Screen button on home screen. 4. An Apps button will appear on your home screen.
Take our lead.
We understand you'd like to run a shortcut, without the Shortcuts app being launched. Using shortcuts is a great way to complete your daily tasks, and we'd like for you to experience that. We'll be happy to help. You can run shortcuts with Siri, and this will avoid having to open the Shortcuts app. 20 September 2020.
Take our lead.
Right-click on that particular file or application for which you want to create the shortcut. Make sure to select the file before right-clicking. Look for a dialog box. From there, choose the Create Shortcut option.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.